Hello friend, today we will learn something important in Linux which is called link. In link in Linux, a link is like a shortcut or another way to access a file. Instead of copying the file, we just create a link. This helps us save space and stay organized. And the link having two types. One is soft link and one is hard link. In the previous class, we already seen about the hard link. So today we will see about soft link. A soft link is like a shortcut to another file or folder. It does not store the actual data, it just stores the path of the original file. For example, if we have a file which name is file 1 and you create a soft link which name is link.txt. Now, when you open link.txt, it actually open file underscore one. But if you delete the original file, which name is file underscore one, the soft link will break. It will show an error because the original path is missing. So, soft link depends on the original file. Now, how to create? For creating the soft link, you have to use ln-s, then file name, just consider file one, and then the link file name. S mean soft link, file one will be source file, link.txt will be the shortcut, or you can consider the soft link. So there are some benefits with the soft link. What is the benefit? You can link file or directories, work across the different file system, saving the disk space, easy to manage multiple file from one place. So we are taking some example in order to understand. We already have a file underscore 2. Just see the content of the file. This is normal file for the soft link. Okay, right now it is right time to use this file in order to create a soft link. So ln-s, then the location or path slash root slash file underscore 2, then slash temp slash file underscore 2 underscore soft link. After it, the link file will be created. If we want to verify, then we have to use the ls-l slash root slash file underscore 2, then temp file underscore 2 soft link. So now we can check the soft link. The benefits of the soft link is that it is very obvious to recognize that it is a link file. There is a L letter there. Second, this temp file underscore 2 underscore soft link is having the symbol of arrow and showing that it is coming from slash root slash file underscore 2. Now, if you deleted the source file, you will not be able to access the content with the help of link file. So first we will verify that both having the same content or not. Cat temp file to soft link. So both having the same content. If we deleted the source file, then what will happen? Yeah, it's deleted right now. If you want to verify, go and verify this file is present or not. So now you can check that the file is not present. If you want to check about the link file, then ls-l slash temp, then slash file underscore 2 soft link. So now you will not be able to access it. If you want to cat, go ahead and try with cat command file underscore 2 underscore link. You cannot access. So we have seen that it has some benefits plus they have some limitation. If the original file is deleted, softlink stop working. It only store the path, not the actual path. So that's all for the today. Thank you.